So what does that say is that, in an unexpected invocation, so we were discussing about, how to have a unexpected invocation. So what I did is I mocked the auto builder, real auto builder. Then I'm faking this in the expectations, right? I'm not passing the instance here. So since we don't pass the instance, we don't need auto builder here, which I've commented here. Then I'm calling the full verifications here. Remember that if you do the faking of behavior, it's called as partial mocking. And if you do a full verification here, but you have a mocked object, I told you, right? If you don't have a mocked object, and if you do only this is called as partial mocking. But if you put mocked object, verifications will expect you to have something here. What will expect you to put all those methods, which you are mocking, to be called. If you leave this empty, what happens? Then you will get unexpected invocations. So let's verify that, just just to make sure that what we are thinking is right. I'm going to clean this and then I'm going to run this test. Yeah, see, I got it. So what I'm getting now, you have to follow these stack trace also. So it's telling me unexpected invocation of order build select item. Why is calling unexpected? Because here invocation of order build stack item on mock instance order build where it is test build or .java 28 in the flow. So caused by unexpected invocation. This is total builder .java 21. So let's go to line number 21 here, and it is telling it is unexpected. Now I have to put this in verification. That means I have to apply verifications and put all these methods there. Whatever is there, I have to put this real border .select item in the verifications. So let's do that then. Let's put that here. So how many times? Times is equal to 1, right? Did it work? Let's try. No, it's still not working. Now what it is calling? So it is telling now unexpected invocation of which method? Order.builder apply discount. So I need to put that one also here in my test. Why did it complain about that? Because these are the items, which these are the methods which get executed, right? Because it's mocked. Let's see now if this is enough. What do you say? Is this enough, or we have to call some more methods? Remember that build is also faked here. So will you get that? Will it work? Let's keep our fingers crossed. Let's run it. Perfect. So it asks in only these two methods. It did not ask for build because build we are faking and calling it, right? And when we fake and call it, but when we mock this real builder, all methods should be verified, right? But since we are faking this method here, build, that in turn is calling these methods, select item and apply discount. So that is why it is complaining here with these two methods. So this is the way you will get unexpected invocation. And last time we discussed state-based testing, and we took the second point, Now, the next episode, we are going to discuss about method chaining and null pointer exception. I know it's a bit tough to understand concepts of Jmockit, but Jmockit is considered as one of the best methods for unit testing. Ultimately, there is one important thing I wanted to share is that. So what we see is that we generally build a code or build a component here, build a system, and or build a product. Let's not say as product instead of a system. This is the product. And then what we do is we take this product into field or customer space. Customer space. And tune it as per his needs. Or maybe if it does not suit, we have to do code changes. Agreed? Now what happens next? What we are doing here is, we are taking a risk. During this stage. Suit to the customer. So when we do something wrong, it will not only impact what we are working on, but it might impact other parts. Right? Since it impacts other parts, how do we know that? Is it really impacted or not? So that is where our JUnits help us. So if it is impacted, so if the JUnits have failed, then that we correct the code changes in such a way that we suit what the customer wants, what the customer wants. As well as it should not impact others. The parts. then your JUnit should pass and it should fail. JUnit should pass and it should go code coverage so that all code is tested, what you've written. Plus, it should fail when you do the wrong code changes. If JUnits are not serving that purpose, then you really have a problem. And that is where Jmockit helps you because of the methodology with which it works. Hope I have more lessons of what is Jmockit testing here. In the next episodes, we'll deal with the coding exception. Thank you all. If you like, hit the subscribe button.